Hello everyone. I know it has been a while, but now I am back with a new workplace, new workspace, new camera, and some new tutorials coming for you. So today I have these two weaves for you. We'll start with this one because it's simpler, it's easier, and then we'll build towards this one. I guess they're good for bracelet, or if you need something pretty solid. So I have well, this is a disassembled bracelet, but so I use this weave for a bracelet. Where is it? I'm using 5 base wires here and 6 here, but you can use 8 or 10, whatever you want. I'm using 18 gauge base wire and 26 gauge weaving wire. Yeah, let's begin. So I've already done a little bit, but here I'll start at the bottom. So just imagine that you secured the weaving wire as usual. And so here I am. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spread the wires a little bit at the end. Not a lot, but you know that they're separated. And I'm gonna go over 2 bottom wires. And I will go up just like it is like a zigzag weave. So I'll go 2, go in between, go 2 up, so basically I'm going the way up like it's a zigzag weave. But once I get all the way up to the top, I'm going to just wrap once around the top wire and then bring it all the way down behind the wires, wrap once around the bottom wire, and then continue. So again. Oh, made a little mistake there. Wrap once over the top wire, go all the way down, once over the bottom wire, and continue. And this is the pattern you will get. So now that we're done with the easy version, with the prep, let's get to this one. It's still easy, but if you're used to doing the zigzag weave, this might break your brain for a little bit. So I find after a few lines, after a few rows, I actually can get in the rhythm. But to begin with, sometimes I have to unwrap it, so don't get discouraged. So essentially what we're doing is the camera focus. We go twice over the bottom wire, twice over 2 wires, twice over 3 wires, and then we start climbing up. So we go twice over these 3 wires, then twice over these 3 wires, then we reach the top, and then we basically mirror what we did here. So we go 2 here and 1 here, and then all the way back behind and return. So let's see how it works in practice. Bear with me if I make a mistake, because yeah, as I said, this can be brain breaking. So when I use more than 4 wires, I like to just use painter's tape to secure them. If you have a ring clamp, that also works, but I don't like when there's something that big as a ring clamp in my hand. So and another thing, this is very helpful too, because when you have, especially when the wires are long, because you get kind of lost in them. So we start at the bottom there, 2. So I go, let's see, this camera should autofocus, so hopefully you can see. I go over 2, then I go over 3, and now I start climbing up. Where am I? 3, 1, 2, 3. You possibly can hear my dog licking his paw. That's what he does. So now I've reached the top. And I'm going to mirror what I did at the bottom. So I'm gonna go twice over 2 wires, then twice over 1 wire. And then I'm going to bring this down, like, but as you can see, this is the back, I just kind of drag it all the way like this. So it's, so it starts here again. And then I will secure twice again. And repeat. I'm going to make 1 more row with you, so you can see again. I'll go slowly. Buddy, stop! This is so sloppy, I'm sorry. Then I will use my nylon jaw to push this row down, squish it, and continue going for as long as I need. So here I have a disassembled bracelet, and see, what do I have here? 8 wires, yeah. And here I go up to 4. See, like I wrap around 4 at some point. You can probably do it here as well, but it will just reach the top quicker. So Depends on the look you want. Feel free to experiment. And you can basically use as many wires as you want. I hope you found this useful, and let me know if you want any other weaves, any specific requests, or just any weave. Yeah, thanks. Bye.